How I got approved for a Regions Bank business credit card. Ever wonder how some businesses seem to effortlessly secure the funding and credit lines they need? Well, I'm here to tell you it's not magic, it's preparation and a little bit of strategy. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of my own successful application for a Regions Bank business credit card, sharing the exact steps I took that led to approval. When you're building a business, especially a small one, cash flow and separating your personal and business finances are everything. I realized I needed a dedicated business card for better tracking, vendor payments, and to start building my company's credit profile. My personal banking is with Regions, and I love their service, so they were my first choice. But a business card application is a different ballgame than a personal one. So, what were the key factors that I believe secured my approval? First, the relationship factor. I didn't just walk in off the street. I had a solid business checking account with Regions for over a year and maintained a healthy, positive balance. Banks like to see a stable, satisfactory depository relationship. It shows them you're reliable. If you can, establish that business banking relationship before you apply for credit. Second, personal and business credit health. Regions, like many banks, relies heavily on the owner's personal credit history for a small business card. My personal credit score was in the excellent range. I made sure of that. On the business side, while newer, I had already opened and paid off a few smaller vendor lines of credit on time. They want to see a low-risk borrower, both personally and professionally. Third, documentation and transparency. I walked into my meeting with my banker prepared. I had my business tax ID, my company structure details, and my projected business revenue for the year. Even if you're a newer business, be ready to clearly articulate your business model and your financial projections. I didn't try to inflate my numbers. I provided a realistic, well-documented picture. That transparency builds trust. My application process was smooth, and within a short period, I got the good news. It wasn't an instant online approval, which is common for business cards, but the groundwork I had laid with my existing banking relationship definitely streamlined the final decision. If you're considering a Regions business card, focus on those three pillars: cultivate a strong banking relationship, ensure your personal and business credit are in great shape, and come prepared with solid documentation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.